Have you ever wondered how a tiny pill can have such diverse effects on different individuals? This fascinating phenomenon is largely due to drug metabolism, a crucial player in forensic toxicology. Every person metabolizes drugs differently, and these variations can greatly influence the interpretation of forensic evidence. But it begs the question, should we consider these individual variations when interpreting toxicology results, or should we stick to the standard reference ranges? Now, let's delve into why it might be beneficial to consider individual variations in drug metabolism. One of the key advantages is the potential for a more accurate interpretation of toxicology results. Each person's body metabolizes substances differently, influenced by factors such as age, sex, genetics, and lifestyle. By considering these individual variations, forensic analysts can potentially obtain a more precise understanding of how a particular drug was processed in the body. This approach also opens the door to solving more complex cases. For example, two individuals may have consumed the same amount of a substance, but their bodies could metabolize it at different rates, leading to differing levels in their systems. By taking into account these individual variations, forensic analysts may be able to better explain these discrepancies and provide more accurate information. As we can see, considering individual variations can provide a more comprehensive and accurate picture of a person's drug use. However, like all things in life, there are two sides to every coin. While considering individual variations in drug metabolism can provide a more personalized perspective, it's not without its drawbacks. Firstly, it adds a layer of complexity to the analysis. Forensic analysts would need to factor in a myriad of variables such as age, sex, ethnicity, health status, and even genetic factors, which can be quite a task. This also translates into more time and cost, which can be a deterrent in certain scenarios. Secondly, there's a potential for misinterpretation. With so many variables at play, it's easy to draw incorrect conclusions, leading to potential errors in the interpretation of toxicology results. Lastly, there's the challenge of establishing clear-cut guidelines. With individual variations, the boundaries can become blurred, making it harder to determine what's normal and what's not. Thus, while considering individual variations can provide deeper insights, it also poses its own set of challenges. By exploring both sides, we can see that this is not a black and white issue. Taking into account individual variations in drug metabolism can increase accuracy, but can also introduce complexity. On the other hand, relying solely on standard reference ranges can be simpler but might overlook certain unique cases. In the end, the balance between individual variations and standard reference ranges is a crucial aspect in forensic analysis, impacting not just the accuracy of results, but also the justice served based on these results.